Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is the last day of August. It's August 31st, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening in regular math. In our Big Ideas math book, we've got practice 1.2. Accelerated math, they've got practice 1.3, as well as a prime number quiz on Thursday. That's listing the first 15 prime numbers between 0 and 50. And that will be a paper pencil test. They will also have Chapter 1 test this coming Friday. In regular science, we've got an assignment called Boy in the Water, and it's found in your Google Classroom. And then accelerated, we've got our variable notes. This is our Nature of Science quiz is coming up on Wednesday. For all of social studies, we've got our BIA key terms. Remember, that's Be Internet Awesome. There is a vocabulary quiz over them this Wednesday. In language arts, in both regular and accelerated, we need to review policy slides. We did that today in class. We'll be doing a review game tomorrow in the library on Wednesday, and we will have our quiz over our 6th grade policies and procedures on Thursday. In literature, we need to read 30 to 40 minutes tonight in either our AR book or our online books that we have requested. And you also need a notebook by next Monday if you don't already have one. And in Careers in Life and FCS 6, you need to go through and look at the video on the Warrior Time page if your parents, if you want to be a part of the FCCLA club this year. When we looked at it, you can see it is on here under Mrs. Music. She's gone through and there's this video to watch. It's about 3 minutes long. That's it for today. Everybody enjoy their Monday.